Oh yeah, we have the credits. Okay, so here's the code that we use to make the different things. That's what we use to just all the buttons. They have a sound file corresponding to them, and then you would just press the canvas that the button was in, and they would play the thing.
And then to use the random button, when we first started the app, it would initialize the random variable from anywhere between 1 and 30 because there are 30 sounds. And then whenever you hit the random button, it would get whatever the current random is, play that sound file. If it was 1, it'd be Allahu Akbar. And if you got, and then after that, it resets the random variable to between 1 and 30. And plays it again.
The last one is like the repeat one. We just had everything set the sound files to loop, and then to stop the repeating, we had it stop the sound files from looping, and the play all button just had every single play. A lot of the problems that we had was there are 2 different sound systems that MAT App Inventor has. One of them is the sound file, and then one of them is a player file. And then the sound file actually has a time restriction on it. You can't have something that's like more than 5 seconds on there. And so it kept cutting off, and it took us like an entire class to figure out why that was. Because they don't actually tell you that. And there's no really any other difference between them.
Sometimes buttons wouldn't work randomly, and we had to redo the entire thing because it would be exactly the same, but just refused to click. And there were times when we had too many things on the actual scroller, so we had to reduce the amount of stuff. And there's so many bricks of code that it took like 3 minutes for the companion to connect whenever we needed to test things.
And part of it was for about half the time we were like working without actually seeing the screen because we didn't know that the entire block was actually scrollable. There's a little check mark off on the side that actually makes it scrollable, and so we were like blindly putting buttons and canvases in below the thing where we couldn't actually see it.
Sounds like your teacher needs to tell you a lot more things.
So improvements, we're going to choose a different app next time, and this is something that I just thought of. We're gonna add a button, just the face button, and just a face appears on the screen and just locks you out of the app.
And then we have, for each sound, we find a GIF or a video that would be like this, what the sound is from, and it would play along with it if you wanted to. That's it.
Yep.
All right.